G'day, just come away for a couple of nights, going to hang out with these fellas, get a campfire going shortly, and going to have some burgers tonight, but not going to do much the next couple of days, probably have a few swims, maybe take some photos, get a campfire going, and yeah, cook up a few feeds. Oh, breakfast time. Gonna get some cakes on the griddle. Got some dry pancake mix I've got here. Got some oats I soaked in apple juice, give it a bit of extra body. Got to add an egg, some oil, some milk, some vanilla into the mix, and I'm going to cook up a few pears to have in with it. So I guess I should get on with it, otherwise it'll be lunchtime before I have breakfast. One for the pot. at that. Not one to blow my own trumpet, but these things are bloody delicious. Got a little side project going on this camp too. Once I get home, I'm going to try and have a go at making sourdough bread, but I need a starter, so I thought I might as well start that while I'm out here. Capture some of the wild geese from one of my favourite camp locations, and we'll see how that goes when I get back. But I won't even know if it works until I'm back home well and truly for at least a week or so. See how it goes. Yeah, what a shit location. Shame about that. Weather's not too great today, but so I get out of camp. There's a good track around here, so I'll just go for a bit of a walk, have a look at the next headland, then maybe get the drone up in the air, I hope, and then I'll get back to camp and see if I can manage to cook a pizza. I wrecked part of my camp gear, my cooking gear, so I'm going to see if I can get by with it while it's broken, but we'll see how that goes later on. Otherwise it'll be a won't be pizzas for dinner, it'll just be sausages. Just crossed over that little bit of water flowing down the hill. I realised I got no idea what the difference is between a creek and a stream, or what the hierarchy of flowing water is. So which comes first, a creek, a stream? Ultimately, I guess there's a river that flows out to the sea. But if you know, put it in the comments. I guess by the time between I film this and edit it and you see it, I can probably Google it, but right now while I'm out here, I got no idea. So let us know. So like I was talking about before, what's this thing? Is it a stream or is it a creek? It just goes out in the ocean about 100 metres from here, but I got no idea what it is. You can just see it here, a big crack through the lid of the camp oven. When it heats up, it opens up a bit more. Did that this morning while I was cooking the pancakes, so probably just going to have sausages and onions and rolls tonight for dinner instead of the pizza. And might give spun steel cast camp ovens a go after this. Right, well I've got to go and have a bath, so I'm going to go jump in the water, come back and make some dinner. Get that going again. No pizza tonight, sausage and onion rolls, that'll do me. What are you having for dinner? Dinner done, dishes done, relax.